Imagine two children, appearing suddenly from nowhere, speaking an unknown language, and with skin the color of emeralds. This isn't just a fairy tale, but a perplexing 12th century account from rural England. Today, we're unraveling the enduring mystery of the Green Children of Woolpit, a historical enigma that has baffled minds for centuries. Around 1150 AD, during harvest near Woolpit, Suffolk, reapers discovered a boy and a girl. They wore strange clothes, spoke an unknown tongue, and had vibrant green skin. They only ate raw beans, initially. Taken in by a local knight, Richard de Calne, the children eventually learned English. The boy soon grew sickly and died. The girl, however, adapted, lost her green tint, and claimed they came from St. Martin's Land, an underground world of twilight. What explains this bizarre tale? Theories suggest severe malnutrition, perhaps a condition called chlorosis. Others propose it's a folk memory of immigrant children, misinterpreted, or even a unique form of arsenic poisoning. The Green Children of Woolpit remain one of history's most captivating unexplained phenomena, a fascinating blend of documented report and enduring folklore. What's your theory? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical mysteries.